Thank you, sir. My name is Zolisa Madikizela, born and bred in Mthatha. So what is going on right now, Mthatha being occupied and ruled by immigrants, what am I saying? You find that they are trading in the streets, the shops, the spazas, it's them all over Mthatha. As the non-profit organizations, we've been engaging with the municipality about this as far as 2016, 2020, 2023, 2024. And yesterday we said with the mayor to make sure now this time we are making demands. We need action. We don't need acknowledgements. We don't need agreements. We need those agreements to be implemented. So what we are doing today was just to show everyone from outside the country, especially Africans. I hear people there questioning this thing about why is it only Africans? It's because Africans came here and their aim is to overthrow black South Africans. Why am I saying that? The manner that they are behaving, it seems they're not respecting.